Good morning, friends. So let's continue with our exercise 12.1, question number 2. Simplify and express the result in the power notation with positive exponent. Means we want to just, if it is negative power, then we want to make it in the positive exponent. So here we find that base is same, minus 4, and division is sign between them. So as per the law, when base is same and division sign, the power gets subtracted. So minus 4 is the base common and power gets subtracted. So 5 minus 8. So we will get minus 4 and 5 minus 8 we will get negative power, that is minus 3. Now here we want to get in positive exponent, we want to get the answer. So we will just do the reciprocal of it, 1 upon minus 4 raised to 3. Clear? And if evaluate we bola hota, if we want to get evaluation of it, so 1 into 1 into 1 3 times and minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Okay, 4 4 just 16, 16 4 just 64, so 1 by minus 64. So positive 64 nahi? No, minus minus plus and plus minus minus. It is not asked, but we can get the and evaluate. If it is written evaluate, we can get the answer by this. Okay, same way for the second one, 1 upon 2 raised to 3 to the power 2. So this 2 is power this 1 also and for this also. So 1 raised to 2 divided by 2, 3 into 2. Power of power. So 3 multiplied by 2. So 1 by 2 means 1 value and 3 by 2 3 just 6. So 1 upon 2 raised to 6 positive power, so no need to change. We can write and evaluate. If it is asked evaluate 2 into 2 into 2 6 times, then we will get 64. 1 by 64 as the answer. Similarly for this one also, but here there is no denominator, fraction form, but minus 3 upon 1 raised to 4, and here also positive. So minus 3 is given to us and power is 4, and no denominator 1, and 5 is also having 4 power and 3 is also having 4 power. Okay, same we can write like this, minus 1 into 3, इसका भी 4 पावर, इसका भी 4 पावर अगर हम ब्रैकेट में लिखते हैं, ठीक है, into 5 raised to 4 upon 1 into 3 raised to 4. So 3 raised to 4, 3 raised to 4 get cancelled. 1 is negative minus 1 with 4 power into 5 raised to 4. नीचे डिनोमिनेटर तो 1 हो गया. So 1 into negative number with even power, so positive. So 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 4 times means minus निकल जाएगा and 5 raised to 4 upon 1. So 5 by 4 is the answer. Hope so clear to you all. Now next, that is question number 4. ठीक है, so question number 4 of question 2. So fourth question, it is given to us that negative power, and first of all, as the bottommost rule, we want to resolve this bracket first and then this one. So 3 minus 7 multiplied नहीं दिया, divide है, so it means we need to just same base, so subtract m and n. Okay, multiplied 3 by minus 5. So first we will try to resolve this one. So 3 minus 7 minus minus, it will be become plus 10, and here this one is multiply. Okay, so we can just, if multiplies then same base, so we can, चलो इसको अलग से करते हैं फिर, minus 5. Now first we will resolve this one, so we will get 3 and here 3 minus 5. Now base same, power get added, so base same, 3 plus minus 5. You will get 3 plus minus minus 5. So 3 is and to the power minus 2. ठीक है. So we want to make it positive. So we will make 1 upon 3 raised to 2 positive power. और इवेल्युएट बोला होता तो 1 3 3 जा 9 if evaluate. ठीक है. Then question number 5. Similarly, so पॉजिटिव बना देते हैं. चलो इसको नई तरीके से करते हैं. 2 रेस टू 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 माइनस 7 रेस टू 3 पॉजिटिव. इसका भी 3 ठीक है. सो अभी पॉजिटिव पावर वी हैव मेक एंड दस वी वांट टू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ इट. क्या करेंगे? सो 1 1 जा 1 2 रेस टू 3 और माइनस 7 रेस टू भी 3. दोनों का सेम पावर है. सो पावर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट में हम दोनों का कॉमन लिख सकते हैं लाइक दिस. सो 2 7 जा 14 but minus 14 raised to 3. Each and every law what we have learned in the previous lesson or previous lecture, that is helpful to us in solving this exercise. Hope so. Question number 2, fifth sum we have completed. Okay, we proceed for our question number 3. Find the value. Okay, so for find the value, question number 3. Find the value means evaluate and get the answer. So 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to minus 1 multiplied by bracket close multiplied by 2 raised to 2. So any number raised to 0 is value is 1. So 1 upon 1 we can write, and this negative power, so we can make it positive like this. Okay, and multiplication sign is given outside the bracket 2 raised to 2 and no denominator matlab 1. Then here there is 1 power means 4. So LCM निकालना पड़ेगा. LCM will be 4. 1 और 4 का LCM that will be 4 and 4 जा तो ये भी 4 से. So 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 2 by 1. So 5 by 4 multiplied by 2 2 जा 4 by 1. Okay, 2 2 जा 4. 2 square means 2 2 जा 4. So 4 4 get cancelled. So 5 by 1. The report is 5. Clear? As the answer. Similarly, we can solve the second one also. Make this term positive. और सॉल्व भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सो 1 बाय 2 रेज टू 1 मीन्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 बाय 4 रेज टू 1 ब्रैकेट्स और क्लियर. देन डिवीजन इज गिवन. सो इट इज, और डिवीजन का डिवीजन ही रखेंगे पर इसका रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो पॉजिटिव टर्म हो जाएगा. -2 का पॉजिटिव. नाउ वी विल जस्ट सॉल्व दिस वन. Okay, so we will get 1 1 जा 1 and 2 1 power and 4 is also 1 power, so 2 4 जा 8. Now it is divide 1 2 by 2. So we will get 1 by 8 divide 1 by 2 2 जा 4. Now if we multiply, divide sign will be changed to multiply, so it will become 4 by, then also reciprocal of it. ठीक है. सो 4 1 जा 4 2 जा, सो वी विल गेट 1 1 by 2 as the evaluated answer. Find the value of it. Similarly, question number 3 also with us. Question number 3. Okay, in question number 3 they have given 1 by 2 minus 2 power plus 1 by 3 minus 2 power plus 1 by 4 minus 2 power. So no need to get worry of this. So we do the reciprocal 1 by 2. Here also minus 2 power, here also minus 2 power. Plus 1 by 3, here also minus 2 power, here also minus 2. Then 1 by 4, both are having minus 2. If we do reciprocal of this, then it will become positive power. So 2 by 1 and 2 power, 2 का 2 power. Then 3 by 2, 1 by square. Then 4 by square and 1 by square. अब 1 स्क्वायर है तो कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है 1 into 1 तो 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. Okay, so we get the answer. If we add all this, that will be 29. So simple. सिर्फ बड़ा दिखाते हैं, they will just make you afraid of this sum. Okay, question 3 we have completed. Now question 3, fourth sum, find the value. Also we will solve. Okay, all raised to 0. They have given everything raised to 0. तो मैं तो डायरेक्टली भी लिख दोगे एनी दिस ब्रैकेट रेज टू 0 इज ऑलवेज वैल्यू एज 1. लेकिन सॉल्व करके भी देखते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वी विल मेक द पावर पॉजिटिव 3 by 1. So 1 4 by 1 plus 1 5 by 1. So negative power 1 has become positive power. And overall this is become 0. So here it mean be 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 raised to 0. So this bracket whatever the value is raised to 0 means it will value will become 1. Directly भी हो सकता है. Okay, but suppose चलो हमने LCM find कर लिया. So 3 4 and 5 we will find LCM. तो LCM कितना मिल रहा है? We will get 60. So 20s are 3 20s are, so here also 2 by 20 plus 4 15s are, so here also by 15 plus 5 12s are, so this also by 12 upon 60 and this whole raised to 0. ठीक है. So if we add, that will be 47 by 60 raised to 0 is equal to 1. As I told you that any number raised to 0 is always 1. ठीक है. So last sum, fifth one, and we will just end it. The fifth sum, here it is given in a bracket 2 2s are. Okay, so we want to just first resolve this bracket. Okay, so इस bracket को remove करना है तो we will get minus 2 by 3 minus 2 power का power means multiply. So minus 2 by 3 minus 4. So we know that minus 2 is also having 4 power and 3 is also having minus 4 power. Okay, now we will do the reciprocal of it. So and that will be give the positive power. So 3 by 4 and minus 2 by 4. Now you need to evaluate this. Yes sir. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 4 times 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16 and 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9s are 81. So 81 by 16 is the evaluated answer for this. Hope so clear to you all everyone, and we proceed for question number 4 of exercise 12.1.